Folks, this is the final day, the final video that you'll see on this particular job. I replaced the popcorn ceiling with the smooth finish ceiling, replaced the light, painted the walls. If you'll remember, I don't guess you probably saw the walls, but they were kind of a green color. Now they're a nice tan. Painted all the molding, crown molding, baseboard, door casing. Put in a porcelain tile floor. The original floor was this laminate floor here. So we took out the laminate floor, put in a nice porcelain floor with prism grout. Just finished sealing the grout. Did a complete backsplash up against the underneath of the cabinets here. So all turned out really nice. Client is pleased, I'm pleased. And we're just wrapping it up today. So appreciate anyone that will give me a thumbs up, and if you'll subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, if you will. It'll help my business to grow and help me to profit a little bit from it with regards to new clients. If you share this with your friends, and I just appreciate all that you do. Take care and look forward to the next project. Take care. Bye-bye.